It's my birthday. Oh my god. It's my birthday. Oh my god. I'm 30 years old now. Wow, I am so grateful for today. I'm so grateful to be here. I'm in Barbados. I'm so happy to be here. I'm on a solo trip. Last night I went to Oyston's, to the fish fry. Oyston's fish fry. And I had so much fun. I had met this girl named Marissa from the car rental place, and I invited her to come with me because she said she's from here, so she was telling me all about it. And she was like, yeah, let's go. I was like, okay, let's go. So I'm so happy she came with me. We had a great time. We danced, we ate some good food, and it was very lively, like very lively. This is my outfit today. I have on these waist chains, some bracelets. I have this bag I got from St. Kitts. It's so cute. It's like a I don't know if this is a calabash or a coconut. I think it's a coconut. Yeah, but it's so cute and it's adjustable. And I have on this crop shirt. It's so nice outside. And I just got on these pants and then these sandals, because I'm like, since I'm on my period, I want to be comfortable and just, yeah. So I got some champagne for me. So I'm in my rental in Barbados. I'm about to go drive to this herbal forest place. So it's like 30 minutes away. I'm gonna do a self-guided tour. I'm gonna just walk around by myself and just enjoy nature and just, yeah. I'm about to go on the road. I am a little nervous, but I'm getting used to like driving and stuff so far. But yeah, so I'm about to go head out. It's hot as hell. I turned off my AC so I could talk to y'all, but I'm literally sweating, like my underarms sweating. But I have another shirt I'm gonna change into, and then after I'm gonna go to the beach and just chill by the beach, get my feet wet, and yeah, then I'm gonna pick up some weed. Shout out to Marissa. So yeah, so I'm excited, so let's go. So this is called a bearded fig tree. Look at this. Guys, look at the monkey. Yesterday was my birthday. I just had such a beautiful day. Like I went to this place called Watchman Hug Gully, which used to be like a cave years ago that collapsed. So now it's just reformed into like a huge forest with like spice trees, coconut trees, and stuff like that. Barbados don't have a lot of spice trees. They're not really known for their spice. Grenada is known for their spice trees, like nutmeg, but they do have a nutmeg tree planted in that forest. So the lady who works there, Kathy, she was telling me about the trees and how during colonial times, one of the, she said, Portuguese men had planted a nutmeg tree because he really loved nutmeg. So that tree has been growing for way before I was born. So it was really cool. I really enjoyed myself to be in nature. It was really grounding and just a beautiful experience. Like, it was just a wholesome day. I really had a wholesome day. And then I had dinner reservations later on that night. The food was, well, what I got a smoked salmon pasta. Bussin'. I have some left over. Bussin'. I may order it again before I leave because it was so good. Like, I need to learn how to make that pasta because it was so good. But and then I had a little birthday cake. They brought me a birthday cake, and I had a blueberry cheesecake that was really good. So I had such a great birthday. Like, this was probably one of my best birthdays that I had. And I'm 30. Oh my god, this feels crazy. Like, I just feel so good. So right now I'm about to go to another garden, which is not far from where I was at yesterday. So I'm gonna go there. I want to you know, explore and see what they have and film. I just finished doing like a mini photo shoot in the Airbnb for my skincare collection, called the Red Candle Collection, that's coming out April 1st. Boom. So these are my products that I made. Let me show y'all more. These are so cute. I love my products. I love my products. Like, get into it. Get into it. Tea. And now I'm about to roll up Marissa. Shout out to Marissa. But I asked her, we had went out to Oyston's Fish Fry on Friday, and I asked her, I said, Marissa, like, you got a plug? And she was like, yeah, girl, I got a plug. I was like, oh, bet. And then she got me some weed for my birthday. So this is how it looks. So yeah, I'm about to roll up. So you know, would it be me if I didn't bring my herbs? Like, come on, my lavender and my pink papers. Like, what? Why would I? What? Yeah. But yes, this is the fit. This is the fit. I'm not wearing these sandals. These are just my house slippers, like the in-house slippers. But I got on this like these beach pants. They're so comfortable. And then I got on this bathing suit top. Yeah, my bracelets. And then I have all my accessories and stuff that I'm bringing in the bag there. I don't have a specific purse. I'm just bringing a tote bag so I could have all my stuff.
Nobody like me. I'm just to move at my own pace. To you, that's unlike me.
I'm a Pisces. Of course I escape in nature. And it's raining. Oh my god. Welcome to my garden. This is my beautiful bamboo tree. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So I want to be here all day, forever. Like my mental health has changed so much in the past 3 days that I've been here. Like it's just something about island life and being able to just slow down and restore your energy in nature and not having to be constantly on the grid, just being off the grid. Even though I am posting and I'm out there, but it's just like it's just the beauty of being present in life, you know. That's just really how I feel. Like I'm so present here, and I haven't been present in a while. Like I've been present for the last 2 months, but this really just confirmed really just how I've been feeling by myself. Like I think this trip really boosts another level of confidence in me, and you know, I did a lot of self-reflecting, and me being 30 years old, I'm just so grateful. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to just be present in life right now, and I'm so inspired. You know, I'm so inspired by nature, my spirit, my nervous system. The way my nervous system is so relaxed and so calm and just so at ease right now is crazy. Like I can't wait to smoke my split. I wish I would have brought it, but I didn't want to risk it because I didn't know how this garden is set up. So I'm like, damn, I low-key could have brought it with me. But it's so beautiful here. Like I'm just so grateful. I really am. But yeah, shout out to spirit. Shout out to me, Pisces. Oh my god, guys, it started pouring. But it's so beautiful. This is so beautiful. You guys, this garden is so beautiful. It's so huge. I cannot wait to go to the herb shop tomorrow and just spend a little coin. I got some fresh coconut water. Like he gave me the coconut so I could have the jelly. I'm about to make a glass of this right now because I'm so thirsty and I've been craving fresh coconut water since I've been here. So yeah.
So it's fine. And I'm like, well, you've got 2 choices.
Hi, how you doing?
We'll picture you guys. Yeah.
Hey, Brandon.
Hey y'all, good morning. It's like 10:30, Monday the 16th. No, but I love it here. I keep saying that in every video, but I love it here so much. I'm so happy that I came here, and I was just called to come here. Like, you know, I'm gonna go to Barbados. I'm in you.
Said she really want right.